we're going sa train namin.
So happy.
Ganito lang yung train nila dito. Soviet. Soviet Union.
Yeah, yes.
May ginawa akong sandwich, guys. At bumili ako na donut. Ito lang yung lunch namin. We arrive here. Train station nila to, guys. Buksal. Ushgorod. It's easy, right? First hotel namin dito sa Uzhgorod na binook ni Sis Lera. Thank you so much, Sisi. Ooh, tada! Sis, huwag kang tumakbo, sis. Kita, sis. Hindi, okay lang. Wala, ang ganda naman. Halika dito. Mag-ano tayo dito? Hello.
Super.
Giving you, ano. May dalawa silang bed. One. And
This is
two.
actually sofa bed.
Sofa bed. Tapos, ito yung may kitchen din sila dito. Ayan.
Ito tayo kakait.
Tapos, ito yung bathroom nila.
Nice.
Okay. Tapos, ito yung dining area nila. Tapos, we check the view. Actually, nasa likuran to siya, guys. Ayan lang yung view natin.
With mountain view.
Yan.
Perfect ako may balcony sis, no? Kaso wala pa dito.
Medyo meron yung bago pa siya eh. Tapos si Sis Rhea daw, mag-ano daw siya dito, guys. Magbatab-batab daw siya dito, guys. Alright. Uy! Ah, wala na talaga akong lipstick, sis. We arrived. First stroll. Wow! The sunset is giving.
I love it.
Wow! Ang ganda doon, no?
Press the backs of our hands together. It's still wet, so the ink should transfer. Meet me at the side door. We'll sneak onto the main floor.
Haggard na yan. Tapos na kaming kumain. First meal sa Uzhgorod. KFC. Ito yung center nila. Wala nang tao. Parang 9:30 na yata.
siguro
umaten.
ano sila.
We're back in our hotel apartment. Thank you, Lira, for accommodation.
Yes, sis. Thank you so much.
Ang ganda mo naman nagpa-thank you. Nakamask ka. Ano kami ngayon? Ang tawag nito? Face mask. Kasi long day and haggard days kami.
Ano yung
Ano
para tayong ano?
Ito yung haluman. Hi guys! Day 2 here at Uzhgorod. Excuse for my pimple, guys. Balik naman kami dito sa downtown. Pimple is not giving. Balik naman kami dito.
We're waiting for Lila.
Lila.
Ang ganda dito siya sa autumn din.
Autumn, nai-yellow yung mga ano. Dala kayo ng tripod din, guys.
Daan ka
Para
lang here.
ma-survive.
Then, after a few minutes, after a few.
Ganda dito.
I know you want me. Parang kinsaning video.
Para,
Vlog.
saan na ito itong video,
Mag-picture tayong tatlo.
Sige,
Bago
picture.
tayo. Ganito, 30 exit ka na. Kasi our taxi sis is just maybe 7 minutes lang. So, kahapon lang na lumabas
You meet another Pinay here in Uzhgorod.
Kahapon lang siya lumabas ate. Tapos,
Next time.
Yes po. Tapos yung
What
iba
Wala
happened
nang
to you?
cherry
What
blossom.
happened? Why somebody stole your things?
Okay, later. Later ko isasabi. Kung halimbawa, more than 10,
anong house na pwedeng apat.
kung more than 10 people, mahirap na makahanap eh. More than 4 people is very
Power.
heavy siya.
Very powerful.
Pag walang kanin, walang energy. Tell me your food.
Nalalasahan pa.
Hindi
Hindi mo mamis pa mamis pa.
Tapos,
We're now at the bus. I'm with Lila. Si Rhea, andun siya. The Disney princess. Bus and bus and ay, dara de ay repose. We are in Mukachibo, no? Mukachibo. We just arrived here in our hotel. Cuteness ang hotel namin, guys. Meron kami paano. Right. See. Yan. Tapos yung room namin. Hi guys, we are now here at Polano Castle. Polano Castle. How much?
Hanggang 5.
5 lang.
Hanap tayo. 240.
May nilagay mo yung ticket? So yung ticket pala guys is 150 grivna. That's
Ganda. Ang ganda picture dito, Sisi.
saan?
Dito, yung spot.
Ganda. Look at the details, guys. Let's go.
Ay, ganda.
Looky. Ayan sila. Wow! Hello!
We're on top of the Polano Castle. Di ba yun sa Lindi? Ba yung spot?
Hi guys, we are here at walking around the Victory Park.
Nice kayo sa place ba? Very
Plus they have river in here.
Very calm place.
Ganda. Maganda siya guys.
May natural. Hindi na-justify itong video.
Kita sis?
Yes.
Galing kami there. We were walking around. Ilang. And then we cross here until here kasi mas malapit na siya sa river.
Ganda ng river. Ganda ng view.
Yes, the view is a giving guys.
You should visit Mukachevo.
At mahangin siya labas guys.
Ganda dito. Super calm. Pero siguro pag summer.
Wow.
Карпати.
Karpat. Дякую. Trolling. This is Rhea. Now we're in Lviv.
Lviv. Beautiful Lviv.
Just a day tour. One night lang kami dito, guys. We are like sa center yata nila to. Pag ganyan. At may tulips sila dito, guys. May tulips sila dito.
Welcome to Lviv, everyone. Ay, ganda. I love this.
What did you get?
Breakfast.
Wow. Hi, is this... Wala. Ashush. Magpipik lang ako.
Thank you. Brunch na to, brunch. Sweet.
So guys, I'm here now in the bus. I'm going back to my home. So last, ano na namin nito ni Sis
Rhea. Last stop.
Last stop. Hinatid niya ako.
Last stop together.
Bus pinasakyan. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for watching. Please enjoy our
Thank
small
you
trip.
so much.
Bye.